बिजली चली गई। कई जगहें आग की लपटों में घिर गई और एज ऑफ 2 जनवरी करीब 55 लोग अभी तक मारे जा चुके।
Disasters strike unexpectedly, disrupting supply chains for food, medicine, and rescue equipment. Floods, earthquakes, and emergencies delay critical aid, increasing casualties and resource wastage. But what if AI could solve this problem? Framed picture suggested visuals. 1. A flood-damaged city with blocked roads. 2. Emergency responders struggling with logistics. 3. Traditional disaster relief efforts face major challenges: unpredictable demand, transport failures, and inefficient resource allocation. Rescue teams often lack real-time insights, leading to delays in life-saving aid. Framed picture suggested visuals. 1. Statistics on delayed relief efforts. 2. Supply trucks stuck in floods or traffic. 3. Medical aid delayed in a disaster zone. Clapperboard Scene 3. Solution: AI-powered emergency supply chain optimizer, 026040. Pushpin text to AI. Introducing the AI-powered emergency supply chain optimizer. Our advanced AI system predicts demand, allocates resources efficiently, and optimizes delivery routes using real-time disaster data. Framed picture suggested visuals. 1. AI analyzing disaster impact maps. 2. Warehouses with automated sorting. 3. Trucks and drones being dispatched via an AI-controlled system. Clapperboard Scene 4. How it works: 041 1 o'clock, pushpin text to AI. Our system follows a 5-step workflow. Keycap 1: AI analyzes disaster-affected areas and predicts supply needs. Keycap 2: AI-driven supply chain models allocate resources efficiently. Keycap 3: delivery routes are optimized using real-time traffic and disaster data. Keycap 4: GPS and IoT sensors provide live tracking updates to authorities. Keycap 5: even in low network areas, emergency teams receive SMS alerts via satellite networks. Framed picture suggested visuals. 1. A dashboard displaying AI predictions. 2. A real-time tracking system showing drones and trucks moving. 3. Satellite communication sending alerts to rescue teams. Clapperboard Scene 5. Use cases: 101-120, pushpin text to AI. This technology can transform disaster relief across multiple scenarios. Checkmark flood relief, Assam, Bihar. AI predicts food and medical supply needs. Checkmark tsunami response, Tamil Nadu, Andaman. Drones deliver supplies to isolated regions. Checkmark terrorist attacks, Mumbai 26/11s, Pathinkote. AI prioritizes medical kits for nearby hospitals. Checkmark gas leaks, Bhopal, Vizag. IoT sensors detect contamination and reroute rescue vehicles. Framed picture suggested visuals. 1. AI monitoring flood-affected zones. 2. Drones carrying food and medicine. 3. Hospitals receiving real-time supply updates. Clapperboard Scene 6. Advantages and dependencies, 121-140, pushpin text to AI. Asterisk: why choose this system? Checkmark faster response time. AI optimizes deliveries based on real-time needs. Checkmark works in low network areas, uses mesh networks and satellite SMS. Checkmark reduces resource wastage. Real-time tracking prevents over-allocation. Checkmark scalable solution. Can be adapted for earthquakes, pandemics, and war zones. Checkmark seamless integration with government agencies and NGOs, API-based data sharing. Small diamond dependencies. Checkmark high-quality disaster datasets for AI training. Checkmark reliable transport infrastructure, trucks, boats, and drones must be operational. Checkmark GPS-enabled tracking. IoT devices and drones require accurate GPS data. Checkmark cloud infrastructure, essential for real-time data processing. Asterisk framed picture suggested visuals. Moneybag SaaS-based emergency response system, subscription for disaster-prone cities. Moneybag corporate CSR funding, companies invest in AI-driven disaster response. Moneybag public-private partnerships, PPP, partnering with disaster relief organizations. Framed picture suggested visuals. 1. Logos of UN, NDRF, NGOs, and corporate partners. 2. A SaaS subscription dashboard